guys, today's vlog ay ayan guys, nakakita ko dito ng look at that yellow na ano guys, dragon fruits. Mostly ang nakikita ko lang guys itong pink. So ayan, wow, it's look yummy, but I don't know, I'm not sure if it's sweets, but ito din guys, so iba-ibang kulay. Ayan oh, ito brown. And then, ito naman, red. So, wow. So, ayan guys. Ito naman ay yellow. So, this is yellow. First time ko talaga guys. Kaya na-amaze talaga ako. Kasi first time kong makakita ng yellow dragon fruits. So, ito din, huh? Mayroon siyang dark, oh. Ayan, oh. Ang ganyang kulay, oh. Ito talaga, masarap kaya. Ito, matamis kaya ito, guys. Ayan, oh. So, ayan. Napaka-fresh, guys. Fresh. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. So, ayan, guys. Mayroon din dito. Ayan, oh. Pakita ko na sa inyo. Mayroon din niyog. Ayan, oh. Niyog doon, mayroon din papaya, lokang papaya, mayroon mango, ayan mango, lakat natin mango. So mayroon din siyang ito kiwi, na apple. So ayan, so thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to hit like and share. Mapi Purple UK yun, but ibang kulay ng apples. Thank you so much.